Hello, so I'm Caitlin Wong, and together with my teammates AJ, Tajira, and Alina, we created TypeHub for this year's Hack the North. So what is TypeHub? TypeHub is basically a simple typing game that we create to challenge your typing speed, and it has parameters that you can set like time limit, number of words. We can also have a sentence mode, so number of sentences, and difficulty. So we created this because we all come from coding backgrounds where typing speed is a valued asset, and we just wanted to make some sort of game that would make practicing your typing a lot more fun. And so as I mentioned, the premise of the game is the user can pick a set number of words with a certain level of accuracy under a time constraint, and if they're able to type that number accurately, then they move on to the next level. So going into a little bit more detail of the game, when you start off, you can pick a mode, so either creative mode, which is you enter 1, and then that lets you choose your own time and the number of words that you want to do. Or if you pick classic mode, then you can pick from a series of levels, and each one has a different number of difficulty, so it'd either be 30 words per minute, 40, 50, and so on. So say for example you were to pick creative, the next choice you would get would be to pick between sentences or words. If you pick sentences, then it prompts you to put in a time constraint and a number of sentences. And you can see here in this example, we just entered 60 seconds and 3 sentences, and then the first sentence it gave us was, "The Prime Minister makes friends with a bird." Similarly, if you were to pick words, again, it gives you a prompt for a time constraint, a number of words, and then an accuracy goal. So sentences doesn't give you an accuracy, but words does. And it's in terms of a percentage. So for example, this one, you want to be able to type 20 words with a level of 90% accuracy. So it allows for 2 mistakes when you start your typing. Once you finish a level, then we also included some dictionary links, which is a lot of fun. So all the words that were randomly generated for you, once you run out of time or you beat the game, then it'll give you dictionary.com links for all of the words that it provided. If you were to pick classic as your mode, then you start by picking a game mode. So we have 0 to 4. Demo mode is the easiest, and then as you can see, level 1, 2, 3, 4 increase in the number of words that you have to type per minute. Once you complete one of the levels, then you can level up. So you see here, as an example, we just started with demo mode. Round 1 was to type 5 words in 60 seconds, and you notice that there's also a timer that says you have 57 seconds left to complete 4 words, 54 seconds, and it counts down. And you can see we were able to do all 5 words, and then it says round 2. And the number of words incremented from 5 to 6, and this would continue on until I think round 4. So yeah, here, once the user passes 4 rounds, they move on to the final challenge where the time starts to decrease. So here we went up to 8 words per minute. Final challenge starts with 50 seconds, 40, 30, and so on. So thank you so much. Now one of my colleagues is going to give a quick live demo of the project. And if you want details, if you want to look at the code, it's all on GitHub under here. And just some quick credits. Thank you to Slides Carnival for providing the slides for free.